Hey, what's up? I'm Mara, and today I want to show you a way to stop sweating over imperfect takes and make your editing life way easier. Real talk, getting a flawless video in one go is rare. We all freeze, stumble, lose momentum, or say a few times. Re-recording kills your vibe and eats time. And manually trimming footage? That's boring and slow. But there's a smarter move. Use AI to clean up your clips instantly. Let me walk you through how I handle it now. Faster, cleaner, and with way less stress. First off, if you're used to apps like Captions, you already know the convenience of AI-assisted trimming. Captions is decent at removing pauses and little lulls, which is awesome when you just need to tidy up a single clip. But if your workflow relies on turning long videos into a stream of short, viral-ready posts, Captions starts to feel limited. It's great for quick fixes, not as focused on turning long-form content into a whole roster of ready-to-post snippets. That's where Vizard comes in and honestly changes the game. Vizard doesn't just trim, it finds the good stuff, packages it into snackable clips, and helps you get those clips out on a schedule without you babysitting the whole thing. So here's the basic flow I use now, step by step, and why it actually saves me time and mental energy. Start by grabbing Vizard from the link in the description if you haven't installed it yet. Open the app and import the long video you want to work with, whether it's a recorded webinar, a long interview, or a rambling vlog from your phone. Instead of staring at the 30-minute file and trying to decide where to cut, Vizard analyzes the entire video with AI and highlights the moments that matter. Emotional peaks, big reactions, punchlines, clear tips, you name it. Once your footage is uploaded, choose Auto Edit or Auto Clip, the feature that picks viral parts from long videos and turns them into ready-to-post content. The AI scans the timeline and suggests multiple clips, usually timed perfectly for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or whatever platform you're targeting. You can preview the clips in a quick playlist to see what the AI pulled out. This is the part where most creators breathe a sigh of relief. No more hunting for the 1 3-minute segment that actually makes people stop scrolling. Vizard surfaces it for you. Now, you don't have to accept every auto-generated clip blind. You can quickly review, tweak, or combine suggestions. Want to shorten one clip, change the crop, or add captions? Do it in seconds. Need to remove a small pause or a filler word? Vizard's timeline editing is intuitive and fast. Think of it like having a tiny editor living in your pocket who already knows what usually performs well. Compared to manual trimming or simpler pause removal tools, this feels way more strategic because it's geared toward virality, not just cleanliness. One huge advantage I want to call out: scheduling. After you've got a stack of clips you like, Vizard's auto schedule feature lets you set how often you want to post, say 1 clip a day or 3 a week, and the AI will queue them up and publish them automatically based on those settings. No more exporting a batch of clips, logging into half a dozen platforms, and manually posting. It's literally the set it and forget it approach for content distribution. Apps like Captions don't usually handle scheduling across platforms. They'll help you clean a clip, but they won't be your content calendar and publishing engine at the same time. Speaking of calendars, Vizard's content calendar is something I use religiously. It gives you a visual layout of what's going out when, lets you shuffle posts around and edit copy or captions straight from the dashboard. If you're working with a team, you can assign clips to people, leave notes, and see a clear pipeline from long-form recording to published short content. With everything in one place, the chaos of what did we post last week is gone. That's a real quality of life upgrade for creators who churn content or agencies managing multiple channels. Okay, let me address something obvious. Why not just keep using simple trim tools or do everything in a full-blown editor like Premiere? Premiere is amazing for detailed projects, but it's overkill if you're just trying to turn a 45-minute video into a dozen snackable clips. And manual trimming tools save time, sure, but they don't think. They don't prioritize the most shareable moments or help you schedule and manage posts. Vizard combines that editorial instinct with automation, which is perfect when your goal is consistent posting and growth, not cinema-quality cuts. Back to the workflow. Once your clips are scheduled, you can still tweak them. Maybe add background music, a zoom or highlight effect, or a quick transition. Vizard has these built-in, simple-to-use tools, so your clips look polished without feeling overproduced. Keep it authentic. Most viewers prefer real, human energy over a hyper-edited ad. The AI will help the clip feel snappy, not robotic, which is key. You still get to keep the honest moments that build trust with your audience. When everything looks good, hit export and choose your formats. Vizard can batch export optimized files for different platforms, so you don't need to resize and re-export manually. That saves me hours every week. Plus, for creators worried about costs, sure, some tools out there are cheaper for a single function, but if you factor in the time you save, the automatic clip finding, the scheduling, the calendar management, Vizard often ends up being the better value. It's about replacing tedious busy work with smart automation, and that compounds over time. One more real-life tip: don't overpolish. The best performing clips are often the ones that feel human. A quick laugh, a raw reaction, a concise tip. Use Vizard to highlight those moments, then let them breathe. The app helps you remove the awkward pauses and filler, but it doesn't sterilize your personality. That balance is what makes viewers pause and stick around. So here's the short version of what you do. Install Vizard, import your long video, Run auto edit to surface the best clips, preview and tweak them. Set up auto schedule to publish on a cadence you want. Manage the posts in the content calendar. Make small polish edits if needed, then export and let the AI post for you. No re-recording, no endless manual trimming, and way less time spent in front of a timeline. If you're serious about turning one long recording into a steady stream of social posts, this workflow just saves you a ton of time and headaches. You get to record more and worry less, and you'll be surprised how much consistency impacts growth. Whether you're a solo creator, a small team, or running content for clients, Vizard is set up to make that repurposing process smooth and strategic. Alright, that's it for this walkthrough. I hope seeing that step-by-step made the whole idea less intimidating. If you want to try it, check the link in the description, import a video, and play with auto edit. You'll see what I mean about how quickly it surfaces the good stuff. I'll see you in the next video with more tips on turning long-form content into viral moments. Peace!